Everybody, what's up? Today is the 23rd of June, and I slept like crap last night. Oh, it was terrible. I guess one of the vents of the window, something was making this god-awful whistling sound all night long. Like, you listen? Yeah. That's that sound I heard all night. It was driving me up the wall. I couldn't stand it. Trying to find a way to shut it out. Might tape over the vents or something, but it's like I can't stand that. It's kind of like when they pressurize the dorms. Yeah. Yep. It makes that same sound. So I'm gonna go find that switch and turn it off probably. But yeah, for today I'm just gonna do some out processing, kind of to get out of here. Try to get all my stuff done before I go TDY. So when I get back, all I gotta do is just worry about getting out of here, and that's it. Get my orders and go. So I'll be very, very happy. Ooh, sorry about that, guys. When I do that, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video last night, or enjoyed making it, or at least yeah, the one I posted last was the one I did on the 21st, but the editing program is messing up, so it took me a while to get that done, and then I still got my video from Saturday. Saturday, Sunday that I still got to redo and edit and put on here. So stay tuned for that, and hopefully this god-awful whistling stops. So, don't think it is, but alright guys, that's enough for right now, and I'll talk to you guys later until tomorrow. But yeah, just update real quick. I went to the MPF today to turn in all my outbound stuff, so I'm leaving here pretty soon, and they tried to pull, oh, we're closed for training day at 3:30. Well, guess what, fucker? I signed in before 3:30, so ha. So now you have to take me, and now I was happy as can be because three other people too, and we made them stay open longer than they should have. It just, for someone like me who doesn't have training days where we just close and stop working, to those guys who have training days and they don't, I mean, there's nothing you can really train on too much. It's really good just to thwart that in their faces. So also, I went to the BX and I rebought this Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess. They had it in Nintendo Select deal. It's like it's been out for so long, so they make it cheap as fuck. So yeah, 20 bucks. I had to buy it. I borrowed it from my buddy before, played it, but never really had my own copy. So I got my own copy now, and I'm be spending the majority of the day tomorrow playing it. So you hear that? I'm not sure if you actually hear the noise this room is making between that buzzing sound and the whistling. Still really annoying. So enough of that, and peace out till tomorrow. Yeah.